How to make Emacs read buffer from stdin on start. With Vim I can easily do. Is it possible to do with Emacs? Is it really impossible to read a buffer from a Unix pipe? Edit. As a solution, I wrote a shell wrapper named Emacs file.
Correct, it is impossible to read a buffer from stdin. The only mention of stdin in the Emacs info pages is this, which says, in batch mode, Emacs does not display the text being edited, and the standard terminal interrupt characters such as CZ and CC continue to have their normal effect. The functions print1 prints and print output to start instead of the echo area, while message and error messages output to stir. Functions that would normally read from the mini buffer take their input from stdin instead. And the read function can read from stdin, but only in batch mode. So, you can't even work around this by writing custom lists.
You could use process substitution.
You can redirect to a file, then open the file. For example, to read notes that if you want the temp file to automatically be removed, you can. The Emacsy way to do this is to run the shell command in Emacs. That gives you a buffer named shell command output with the results of the command.
It is possible. See this URL. Here is echo in an Emacs script, copied from the above link. Or to read it into a buffer and then print it out all in one go.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.